Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday today. We're one day closer to the weekend. Thank you. Just getting ready for work, really. Finally got out of bed. It's 7:15. Yeah, 7:15. Getting ready, and we'll sort out breakfast. Yada yada. I really don't get enough sleep, as you can tell. But anyhow, yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us, really. Hopefully I'll get to have a proper lunch today, but we will see. For breakfast is the same old Nutri-Grain. I am running low, so I do need to get some more cereal and also some more Up and Go. Okay, quick lunch update. Yes, I've already taken a bite, but I'm having a trip sandwich and working through because there's just not enough hours in the day. But anywho, at least I'm eating. I have finished work for the day, but instead of sorting out the clothes that need putting away, I've come downstairs because I'm going to play The Sims instead. Just realised though, missing the chair, probably because we had dinner the other night with the in-laws round, so I shall just take a chair. Oh my gosh, I'm so puffed just from this. But yes, just want to unwind a bit. Oops. Play some Sims, relax. Then I can worry about, whoopsies, oh jeez, I'm making a mess. Then I can worry about the chores, putting the clothes away, so. Or better yet, I'll ask my husband to do it, so yeah. Wow. So here we are playing The Sims. This is my sim that I decided to go with. I always play with females, so I'm like, let's change it up. This is the EA sim that I just downloaded from the gallery. Kurt Lumberjackson, didn't change a thing about him. I'm doing the pack legacy, which I will link below for anyone who plays The Sims and is interested. But you essentially play per pack and you have to do things specific. So for example, he has to complete the angling ace, what is this called? Aspiration. And also he has to complete the outdoor enthusiast aspiration. So I'm going to finish this one first and then move to the outdoor enthusiast, and you have to also max out herbalism and something else, can't quite remember now. Herbalism and the insect collection and something else, from which you have to go to Granite Falls. But what I like about this one is that it actually gets you to play with the parts of the game that you've not necessarily played before. Like, to be honest, I don't really fish, and there's some cool fish that you can get. So I've caught some frogs as well for bait. Here's some fish that I recently caught. These are just random collectibles and some stuff that I've harvested that is by my house. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. And his job, he is a freelance writer. We're currently on 13,000 simoleons, so that's pretty good. But yeah, I'll probably have to pick a gig for him to do next, actually. 185, 265. How does this one pay more when this is for a higher skill? I don't know, but anyway. Yeah, so I'm really having fun playing with The Sims, and yeah, we'll just play a little bit more and wait for dinner.
I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart is where you are.
Here is tonight's dinner, a yummy chicken pad thai. Alright, I am just getting off from The Sims. I played for a bit after dinner, and now I'm going to go and get ready for bed because I'm very tired and it's nearly 9:30. I got a bit carried away, but I had a lot of fun playing, so that was cool. But yes, I'm going to end the vlog here and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye.